Plant growth time-lapse videos are blowing up across social media right now. And the crazy part is, you don't need a camera, a greenhouse, or years of gardening experience to create them. I made this entire plant growth video using AI, completely free. And in this video, I'll show you the exact workflow from choosing the plant to generating the finished time-lapse. No complicated setup. No paid software. Let's get into it. First, head down to the description and open the free Google Doc. Inside, you'll find the master prompt I've prepared for this entire workflow. Copy the complete prompt from start to finish and paste it into a new ChatGPT chat. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will take that master prompt and guide you through the entire process. Once the prompt loads, ChatGPT will generate 10 different plant growth ideas for you to choose from. You'll get a mix of plants, fruits, flowers, and vegetables, each selected because it can create a visually satisfying growth sequence. Take a look through the list and choose the one you want to create. I'll copy the number and send it back to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT takes that selection and creates one complete video prompt specifically for that plant. And this is important. We're not creating separate prompts for every stage of the growth. The master prompt is designed to create one continuous 10-second time-lapse. It takes the plant from a seed in the soil, through the entire growth process, all the way to the final mature plant and harvest. The prompt also handles the cinematic camera movement, lighting, environment, natural growth, macro details, and synchronized sound design. Once it's finished, copy the entire video prompt. Now open Google Flow. I'll leave the link in the description. Inside Flow, start a new project and select the video option. For the model, choose OmniFlash. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, since we're creating vertical content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Then set the output duration to 10 seconds. Once those settings are ready, paste the complete plant growth prompt we just generated into the prompt field. Hit Generate. Now Flow takes that single prompt and generates the entire plant growth sequence. The goal here is one continuous shot, not a collection of disconnected scenes. You should see the sequence progress naturally from the seed being planted, to the sprout emerging, leaves unfolding, flowers developing, and finally the mature plant producing its fruit or vegetable. Give the generation a moment to finish. And once it's ready, let's take a look at the result. And there it is. A complete cinematic plant growth time-lapse, generated from a single prompt. And here's where this gets really interesting. You don't have to stop with one plant. Go back to ChatGPT, choose another idea from the list, generate the new prompt, and run the same process again. You could create a completely different video around strawberries, sunflowers, pumpkins, chili peppers, tomatoes, mangoes, whatever fits the style of content you want to build. The workflow stays the same. New plant, new prompt, new video. That's what makes this more than just a one-time AI experiment. It's a repeatable content system. The master prompt is completely free in the description, so you can follow along and create your own. And if you want to discover more emerging AI content niches and learn how to create them before they become saturated, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, I'm Astria. Keep building.